If you spend a lot of time working in Cursor AI, one small feature can make a big difference in how fast you navigate your code, the Minimap. In this video, I'm going to show you how to toggle the Minimap in Cursor AI in just a few seconds. This is a super useful setting if you want a quick visual overview of your file, especially when you're working in long scripts, large components, or big project files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Cursor AI tips and software walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Cursor AI application on your computer. Once the editor is open, you'll want to look at the top menu bar. Cursor AI follows a similar layout to many code editors, so the setting you need is easy to find once you know where to look. The Minimap is basically a tiny overview of your entire file that appears on the side of the editor. It gives you a high-level visual outline of your code, which makes it much easier to spot structure, jump between sections, and move around large files without constantly scrolling. To toggle the Minimap, go to View in the top menu. From there, hover over or open Appearance. Inside the Appearance options, you'll see Minimap. This is the setting you're looking for. Click on Minimap once to turn it on if it's currently hidden, or click it again to turn it off if you want a cleaner workspace. That's it. It's a simple toggle, and the change happens immediately. If you're wondering when to use it, the Minimap is especially helpful when you're reviewing long code files, editing functions spread across many lines, or trying to get a sense of the overall layout of a document. On the other hand, if you prefer a more minimal editor and want to maximize horizontal space, turning the Minimap off can make the interface feel less cluttered. So depending on your workflow, you can switch it on or off anytime you need. Let me give you a quick tip. If you're working on a large project and frequently jumping between sections, keeping the Minimap on can save a lot of time. You can instantly see where you are in the file and how different parts of the code relate to each other. But if you're doing focused editing and want the largest possible coding area, just toggle it off and keep your attention on the main editor window. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to toggle the Minimap in Cursor AI using the View and Appearance menu. It's a tiny setting, but it can have a big impact on your coding workflow and productivity. If this video was useful, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Cursor AI tutorials, coding tips, and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.